Jo here, doing a much needed episode of Kids Tips. Morning, baby. Mwah. So today's tips are going to be discussing how to reach out to those struggling with mental health issues, as I recently was going through some really troubling times. I was experiencing panic attacks 3 to 5 times a day for like 2 weeks. It actually affected me so much that I did not complete my Jack Project school. At least I didn't do the exam, and I ended up quitting my job because I'm starting school now and I feel as though it's just too much for me to juggle given my mental capacity. But what I did learn from the Jack Project was 5 tips essentially on how to reach out to those in need. Tip number 1: say what you see. So this is literally recognizing what somebody might be going through. You might approach a friend and say, "Hey, I noticed you haven't been in class lately," or "I noticed you've kind of been down, what's going on?" And that brings us to tip number 2, which is show that you care. So after acknowledging and noticing what somebody might be going through, you want to mention that you care about them and that you're there for them. Number 3, hear them out. So after you've said, I've noticed you've been down lately and I want you to know that I'm here for you, then you just let them talk and listen to what they have to say. Number 4, don't pass judgment. After hearing them out, you don't want to be judgmental about what they just told you, because that's just going to make them feel really crappy. And finally, number 5, suggest help. Suggest some professional help. If you know of an organization or help phone number that this person can contact, that can do a huge difference for this individual who is struggling to a point where just talking to a friend may not be enough, and that they quite honestly need to seek professional help, whether that's a counselor or a therapist, maybe even at the very least a teacher, or like I said, like a kid's help phone. So keep those tips in mind. If you know somebody who's struggling, say what you see, show that you care, hear them out, don't pass judgment, and finally suggest professional help. Hope that was helpful, guys. Take care. Bye.